Welcome to the official video overview for the initial public offer of Sesha Sai Technologies Limited, formerly known as Sesha Sai Business Forms Limited. We are a technology-driven multi-location solutions provider focused on offering payment solutions and communications and fulfillment solutions, catering primarily to the banking, financial services and insurance BFSI industry, with data security and compliance at the core of our solutions. This video is directed at and is intended for distribution to and use by residents of India only. The information in this video is not for publication or distribution, directly or indirectly, in or into the United States. No part of the contents of this video shall be copied or duplicated in any form by any means or redistributed. You are viewing this video on the basis that you have confirmed your representation, agreement and acknowledgement to the book running lead managers and Sesha Sai Technologies Limited, formerly known as Sesha Sai Business Forms Limited, that you are the intended recipient of this video and you are located in India. If you are not permitted to view this video or are in any doubt as to whether you are permitted to view this video, please exit this video. Caution: investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content or information provided in respect to the public issue on the internet, online websites, social media platforms, microblogging platforms by influencers. Investors are advised to rely only on the information contained in the offer document and pre-issue and price band advertisement for making investment decision. Investors are advised to read the red herring prospectus dated September 16, 2025 and the pre-issue and price band advertisement dated September 17, 2025 carefully before taking any investment decision in relation to the issue. Sesha Sai Technologies Limited IPO consists of a fresh issue of equity shares of face value of 10 rupees each, aggregating up to 4,800.03 million rupees, and an offer for sale of up to 7,874,015 equity shares of face value of 10 rupees each, with an employee reservation of equity shares aggregating up to 20 million rupees. The offer for sale involves the sale of equity shares held by the promoters, and proceeds of the offer for sale will not be received by the company. The anchor investor bidding period will close on September 22, 2025. The issue will open on Tuesday, September 23, 2025 and close on Thursday, September 25, 2025. Incorporated on September 17, 1993, having its registered and corporate office in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. We are one of the top 2 payments card manufacturers in India, with a market share of 31.9% in fiscal 2025 for credit and debit cards issuance in India, improving from 25.0% in fiscal 2023. Source: FNS Report. We are one of the largest manufacturers of check leaves in India. Source: FNS Report. Our business verticals comprise payment solutions, communication and fulfillment solutions, and IoT solutions. We believe our products and services touch individuals across various age groups through their financial transactions with our customers. We provide an end-to-end traceability solution, from manufacturing custom RFID tags in-house to custom graphical user interface for customers to the application software that holds it all together. To streamline operations of our customers, our platforms are integrated seamlessly with our customers' technology platforms, CRM systems, including mobile applications. We offer an integrated and customized portfolio of services through our pan-India physical network, comprising 24 manufacturing units across 7 locations in India as of March 31, 2025. Each of our 24 manufacturing units are self-sustaining with minimum dependency on other units and are equipped with advanced machinery, raw materials and manpower to handle requirements of that location. We also have 9 godowns in the states of Karnataka, Kerala, Telangana and Maharashtra. We have a focus on research and development (R&D) to provide new and customized solutions to our customers and operate 2 dedicated R&D labs in Bengaluru, Karnataka and Faridabad, Haryana. We cater to a diverse set of customers including prominent banks, both private and public sector banks, insurance companies, depositories and fintech companies. In fiscal 2025, we provided services to 10 of the 12 public sector undertaking banks, 9 out of 11 small finance banks, and 15 of the 21 private banks in India. In the fiscal 2025, we served 9 out of 32 general insurance and 12 out of 24 life insurance companies. Source: FNS Report. The company has 862 permanent employees as on June 30, 2025. Company has 2 registered patents and has applied for 11 patents applications in India and 1 application each in Australia, Philippines and Malaysia. 91 registered trademarks and has applied for 54 trademarks. Our company also has 8 registered copyrights and has applied for 3 copyrights and design patents. Our subsidiary, Atoll Solutions Private Limited (ASPL), has 6 registered trademarks. ASPL has also applied for 4 trademarks and has 2 registered patents. Investors should note the following important risks. In fiscals 2025, 2024 and 2023, we serviced 702, 476 and 355 customers respectively. We generate a significant portion of our revenues from a limited number of customers, and any loss or reduction of business from these customers could reduce our revenues and adversely affect our business, results of operations, financial condition and cash flows. Our revenues are dependent on a limited number of industry verticals, and any decrease in demand for our services in these industry verticals could reduce our revenues and adversely affect our business, results of operations, financial condition and cash flows. Our contracts with customers subject us to extensive compliance requirements. Failure to comply with the terms of these contracts may lead to breach of the termination of the contracts and action against us for breach, which may adversely affect our business, results of operations and financial condition. We are exposed to the risks of providing solutions and services to the government projects, institutions, and public sector enterprises. Failure of our information technology infrastructure or any breach of our information technology systems may adversely affect our business, results of operations, and financial condition. Please read the risk factors beginning on page 31 of the RHP and the pre-issue and price band advertisement dated September 17, 2025 for further information. The promoters of our company are Pragnat Praveen Lalwani and Gautam Sampatraj Jain, who collectively hold 140,235,574 equity shares, equivalent to 93.21% of the issued, subscribed, and paid-up equity share capital of our company. 6.79% of the company is held by public shareholders. Our board comprises of 6 directors, of whom 3 are independent directors, including 1 woman independent director. Our company's revenue from operations as of the year ended March 31, 2025 was 14,631.51 million rupees with an EBITDA margin of 25.13%. The company registered a restated PAT of approximately 2,223.20 million rupees, reflecting a PAT margin of approximately 15.09% for the year ended March 31, 2025. Investors are advised to read the RHP, including pages beginning on 245, for further information on financials and related information. There are outstanding legal proceedings involving the company, our subsidiaries, our directors, our promoters, KMP, SMP, and our group companies. Any adverse outcome in such proceedings may affect our business, results of operations, and financial condition. For further details, see outstanding litigation and material developments on page 437 of the RHP. Company has completed a pre-IPO placement of 1,199.97 million rupees at 423 rupees per equity share. Pursuant to the pre-IPO placement of 1,199.97 million rupees, complying with Rule 19(2)(b) of the SCRR and accordingly, and the revised fresh issue size aggregates to 4,800.03 million rupees. The proceeds of the pre-IPO have been partially utilized towards repayment and/or prepayment, in part or in full, of certain outstanding borrowings of our company, and shall be utilized towards general corporate purposes, such that the amount to be utilized towards general corporate purposes shall not exceed 25% of the gross proceeds. Our company proposes to utilize the net proceeds from the fresh issue towards funding our working capital requirements and general corporate purposes. The price band for the IPO is 402 rupees per equity share, floor price, to 423 rupees per equity share, cap price, and there is a discount of 40 rupees per equity share for the employee reservation portion. The minimum bid lot is 35 equity shares and weighted average cost of acquisition of promoters selling shareholders is 7.72 rupees per equity share. IPO will be conducted through book building with allotment of not more than 50% of the offer to qualified institutional buyers QIBs, not less than 15% to non-institutional bidders NIBs, and not less than 35% to retail individual bidders. The employee reservation portion shall constitute up to 5% of the post-offer paid-up equity share capital of our company. The equity shares will be listed on BSE Limited and the National Stock Exchange of India Limited. IIFL Capital Services Limited, formerly known as IIFL Securities Limited, ICICI Securities Limited, and SBI Capital Markets Limited are the book-running lead managers to the issue. Investments in equity and equity-related securities involve a degree of risk, and investors should not invest any funds in the issue unless they can afford to take the risk of losing their entire investment. Please read the Red Herring Prospectus dated September 16, 2025, the pre-issue and price band advertisement dated September 17, 2025, and any corrigenda or addenda thereto before taking any investment decision in relation to the issue. Investors are advised not to rely on any other document or information for making their investment decision. Disclaimer: neither the company nor the promoters are seeking any investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only and is not a promotional video and does not constitute an invitation or offer to acquire, purchase or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should rely only on the disclosures made in the Red Herring Prospectus dated September 16, 2025, any addendum and corrigenda thereto, and the pre-issue and price band advertisement dated September 17, 2025 for taking any investment decision in relation to the issue.